sorry. You can go to the igneous rock here from sedimentary rock, or you can go to metamorphic rock. Well, what makes the metamorphic rock? Or the igneous rock? It says when sedimentary rock melts into magma. So sedimentary into igneous. When sedimentary comes into it and it melts into the magma and then cools and hardens, igneous rock is formed. So that's how you get from here, from this rock to something like that. And you can do all kinds of things. These are the kinds of rocks that we are going to be having in Miss Rachel's class and Miss I'm going to give these to Miss Connie as well. There are some different ones. For example, this one's a pretty cool one, and I'm kind of sad that we do not have this in the other one. This is rock salt. I will warn you about licking this. It is very tempting, especially when you tell the kids rock salt. I don't know if anybody else has licked this. And, or how many people have touched it. And I'm gonna let you use your own discretion on that. And, you know, it's the end of the year, so if they get sick, they get sick. No, geez. I'm gonna say no on that licking process, and then Miss Shanda, I'm gonna give you this. These are a few other rocks. These are from this has been with our campus for a very long time. These, I did note that these are some of the rocks that are in this one and this other one, but these, the red ones are all igneous rocks, and it has a little diagram down here. All the blue ones over here are sedimentary rocks, and all the green ones are metamorphic rocks. And I did number them in here and also put the names of them underneath here to make it a little more convenient, so it's not so much back and forth with that. And so basically all you're going to be doing is just kind of using these two. And then if you have time to name them, now Miss Shanda, if you don't have time, if these kids don't have time, I don't know now. Maybe I'm going to give this to Miss Connie's class, actually. Yeah, sorry, Miss Shanda and Miss Connie, I'm confusing you all. I'm going to give this to Miss Connie's class because I think they've got these. They can list all these. The specimen name, what type of rock this is it igneous, metamorphic, or sedimentary? So don't give them the cheat sheet. Have them look through these, the definitions of the sedimentary rock, metamorphic, and igneous rock here, and see if they can guess which ones they are. And these are for all the classes. See if they can guess. In each class, you guys can fill these out as a class. Each class will get one of these. And for the younger kids, even in Miss Shanda's class, if you guys don't want to fill this out, you can't. You don't have to, but just talk about it. Say what they think it is, what each one of these rocks is. So Miss Shanda, you'll be getting this one. And then Miss Rachel will be getting this other one that's over here, and it's the exact same thing as the other one, as this one here. So just kind of go through each one, look at them. And again, these are all igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary. And even on these little signs here, it says soapstone, metamorphic rock. So it has all of them labeled there accordingly. Anyways, if you have any questions, concerns, or complaints, you can let me know. But I hope that makes sense to you all, and I hope that it's simple. I'm going to take a photocopy of this and send that to you guys so you guys can have a closer look at that. And then I'm going to have one of these for each class as well. And each one of you should have one of these. If you do not have one of these, let me know, and I will make more copies of them for tomorrow. I may just go ahead and make more copies of them anyway, just to be on the safe side. And yeah, have a great week.